Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. In the last vlog, we put the clutch line and the clutch slave cylinder on, and we bled the clutch. We showed y'all guys how to do that. We have a pedal on the 240, and we also revealed that we have a KBD kit for the S14. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out our build that we're doing on this S14. So let's get today's vlog started. So in the last vlog, I also did say that we are going to start mocking up the body kit for the 240 to see how it looks, because I still have to get it painted, and I still have to get over fenders for the front and rear before we actually leave this amazing body kit on. And I also do have a debate on what I'm going to be doing with the rear bumper. I am probably not going to be putting on the KBD rear bumper because I already have a carbon fiber one already mounted. So we're just going to be putting on the side skirts and the front bumper. We'll probably do the side skirts first before we put the front bumper on, because I think the front bumper is what's going to make the car stand out the most. Well, actually, the whole body kit will. So the way we're going to be doing this is probably we're going to be using a rivet gun and some 3M tape. I'm only going to be using a rivet gun on areas where I know that I'll be using it once again. And we also have one more thing we got to do today. Before we start doing this body kit, we're going to check on Jose's car and see if his wastegate is bad. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. So if you guys are having issues with your turbo and it's making like a funny noise, not that nice noise, what you're going to want to do is actually get one of these. And basically what this does is it just builds up pressure. It sucks pressure up. And what we're going to be looking for is to see if the actuator or the diaphragm inside, if the rod goes in and out. And if the rod doesn't go in and out, then the diaphragm is bad or seized up. So let's go check it out on Jose's 240. So basically, we're going to take off this right here. And then, it does look about the right. No, it's a little bigger. We'll try it. I think I can fit it on there. And then you're just gonna put it.
You took this one off?
Yeah, that goes to your wastegate.
Yeah.
Or yeah. Alright, so now that's on. Now we're gonna put this on the gun. And what we're gonna be looking for is that rod right there. That rod will go in and out. So, we do have a bad wastegate. The only reason why I learned how to want to do one of these is because I worked on a Mustang at work that had a turbo mechanical wastegate. And it was doing the same thing. And basically, when you put pressure in and you're sucking, that rod is actually supposed to go in. And when you relieve pressure, it goes out. So, Jose has a bad wastegate.
Goddamn HKS.
It's okay, bitch.
No, okay.
6 years, 6 years. It's all right. It's going to get a full rebuild. OEM plus. I think we're going to go to Walmart and get some acetone so we can wipe all this down, make it good enough, make the surface area good enough to stick. So we'll see you at Walmart. All right, $30 later. Acetone, Red Bull, M3 tape, and a Jose's water, wherever it is. All right, so I think this side skirt is actually going over here.
When you have a real KBD kit or not.
I don't know how, oh. he was saying, tell him how you know you have a real KBD kit. And I was like, I don't know. And then it all has the KBD kit sign. So, you remember when I had the S13 side skirts?
Yeah.
They didn't have that on there.
It wasn't real?
Was it real?
No.
Then how? But they were still good. They were flexible and stuff.
A different brand.
I guess so. I've never heard anything else except KBD. But yeah, we're gonna wipe this down with acetone, your best friend for paint, cleaning, and nails. Thank God Jose made this little thing over here. It's probably the best shop tool over here. I'm gonna try to start doing more one-handed activities for you guys to get some acetone Clean, 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 clean. Put some more acetone on it and do the other side. Ugh. Shit stinks. Make sure you clean your KBD kit really good, because they were telling me that these come with a lot of oil.
Man, you get a dirty one and you wipe it again.
Bitch.
I mean, yeah, you can. If you want. I was gonna say do the corners, like one little strip right there, little strip right there, man, like 3 inches. Look at that Miata back there. I like Blade is messaging you back.
Screw that pansy.
They put that in the vlog.
Oh, it's too late now.
Hey, if y'all want to call him, it's that number. Hey!
Ah!
Come to the shop.
So is it 8 o'clock and I'll be trying fucking 40 minutes over there?
Don't you gotta let some dog out?
What do y'all do? Put the body kit on or?
Yeah. You're gonna miss out. You could have been the first one to see it.
Wow.
You don't care.
You don't care.
Oh, whatever.
Alright, let you know.
Go sell your Type R and get an Avenger again.
Go sell your Type R and go get a Journey again.
Not even. Get a mom van. Yeah, hold that. I'm gonna close the door. Trust me, it's not supposed to look pretty.
Your shit better than mine.
Professional. Damn, that looks good. Woo! That. Damn. I did not expect that M3 tape to actually fit, make it look so good. The funny thing is, this fender isn't fully bolted on. Wonder how it looks over here. Damn, that's crazy.
To be honest, I don't leave it like that.
What?
I'll just have it in, and then I'll just put some bolts for you.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna do the bumper, but I really do want to put all the like the lights in them.
Does that have for the lights?
Yeah, it should have all the light stuff for it. Oh no, it does. About to say, ooh man, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay.
Dude,
So-
you know that work?
Sad news, very sad news. I just realized that the OEM turn signals do not fit on the KBD bumper, but your side markers do fit. If anybody knows where I can get the turn signals, drop a comment down below what turn signals I can use for the KBD bumper. I'm kind of super like sad like that we can't put it on. Well, we're gonna put it on, but I'm sad that the fact that I can't use these turn signals, because I really thought I was gonna be able to look at this. But we're gonna put the bumper on and go from there and see how it really looks. I'm really digging the side skirts. They look really, really good. But damn, it's starting to look like a race car. Sheesh. Damn, that's crazy.
We need more light.
Huh?
We need more light.
Need more light.
The bumper is too dark. It like makes it.
How crazy does that look? Drop a comment down below if you guys like how it looks. Fun fact, I never used to like Zinkies, but the more I look at them, the more they remind me of R33s, and I just like how they look. That's crazy. It looks real good.
I still don't like them.
I don't give a fuck what you like. No hurt feelings here. Alright, so we just realized that the carbon fiber rear bumper isn't as aggressive as the KBD one. So I probably will be rocking the KBD bumper, and I'll be selling this rear bumper for about, I don't know, 500 bucks. It's a full carbon fiber rear bumper. So If you guys want this, let me know. It looks way more aggressive to me. All right, guys, so basically that's all we're doing today. We're not gonna leave the bumper on. As much as I would like to, we just don't have everything ready to leave the body stuff on. And plus, I want this car to have all the suspension components, all the other stuff that I just want the car to run before I actually start working on body stuff. So it's gonna be a while, dude. We still have to do the rear diff. I have everything for the rear diff. I need everything for suspension, front and rear. I would like to get a new oil, rack and pinion as well, and maybe a new steering column. Because the one I have is actually seized up, and it was so hard to get that bitch back on to the original rack. So we still have a lot of work to do. Once I get rear suspension dialed in at least, then we can we can do test drives with the old drive shaft and at least go drive it. And we still got to do brakes. So just give me some time. We're almost, dude, we came a long way. In a year, at least in a whole year, we got the car back to its state of actually turning on and stuff. Actually, that's what we need to do. We need to turn it on and make sure it turns on. I need to put a transmission oil.
If you want this build to go by faster, go to his Twitch and donate something.
Yeah, donate some money. Donate some money to our Twitch channel. I'll put Jose's Twitch channel up there. Donate to him too. But yeah, guys, drop comments down below if you like this KBD kit. Man, dude, that thing looks fucking fire. It looks so good. I just love how Zinkies work. Yes, I'll probably one day own a Koki and an S14, but Zinkies in my heart forever. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out soon.